Loving me was all you tried when you were around.
Hello. There's Kai's.
Yeah, loving me was all you tried.
Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome to a day in the life vlog showing what a pretty typical day looks like for me as a single mom of 3 kids. If you're new here, I have a 3rd grader, a 1st grader, and a preschooler, plus a dog and a cat, so mornings are busy getting them ready and taking them to school. And please subscribe while you're watching today.
For a new start.
What are you doing?
Don't wanna be trapped, wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
One of the special traditions I do with my older 2 kids is one day a week we go to Dunkin' after we drop Hayden off to preschool, and today was that day. After the older 2 are dropped off at school, I head to the gym. I usually do some sort of cardio to warm up, then weights, and then usually end with some form of ab exercises.
Yeah, can't you see that I just need to be by myself? I have told you many times now, but somewhere going high, looking for a new start. Yeah, somewhere going high, looking for a new.
And then it is time to pick Hayden up from preschool. It goes by really fast.
Yeah, let's go picky.
Hi, kiss. I missed you.
Yeah. Make me castle.
Go.
Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down, don't wanna be stuck in this town. Don't wanna be trapped, don't wanna be down. Looking for a new start.
Huh? Yeah, I'll come unlock it. Look though, Hayden. The daffodils are up and they're starting to be the blossoms on the trees. Isn't that pretty? Say spring is coming, finally. Having a snack? Once we're home, I'll get Hayden a snack and then take a quick shower. He likes to watch his Mickey. Hi, Coley. Hi, sweet girls. Hi. Hi, good girl. Aw. All right, so I just got changed and Molly's about to be here like any minute because we are shooting 2 new scents for Cap and Queen today. I'm so excited for you guys to get to smell these ones because they're so good. They're like our May and our June scent. So you'll get to see the behind the scenes of that. And I was gonna say, if I'm talking a little bit funny, I just put in my week 4 of my Bite aligner, and every time I put in the new weeks, I feel like a lot of pressure on my teeth. And I also think that I talk just with a little bit more of a lisp because I'm getting used to it. But week 4, and I have 15 weeks total. So 11 more weeks to go, so like 3-ish months. But I feel like I can already tell, like especially the bottom has moved a little bit. But all right, let's go do this photo shoot. And before Molly came, I put Hayden down for his nap. This is our professional setup for photo shoots. We put everything on white cardboard, poster board paper. But look at how nice. Let me go around here. Isn't that so pretty? All set up. I'm so freaking excited for this scent. Wanted to thank Sally. She sent this really cute belt bag. I love this. I checked out her Etsy shop and she has really cute ones in a bunch of other colors too. And she gave me a code, it's Bri10. So if you're doing anything Disney, check out her Etsy shop. I'll have it linked in the description.
'Cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the sparks
Since Hayden was still napping once we were done with our photo shoot, I used this time to get some work done and clean up the house, and there's always dishes and laundry to do.
You're my sweetheart. I will stay just to feel your heart pumping next to mine. Do you feel that I'm your missing part? That you're finally right. You got me out of this feverish dream. You are holding my hand. I have no clue, don't know what it means, but I know you'll understand. 'Cause when you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu.
Hi,
I'm sorry, what's wrong?
give me a hug.
It's not the washing.
Yeah, come here. Clothes were in the washing machine. They're all nice and clean now though, so I'm gonna fold them. Okay?
I'm in the washing machine.
Yeah, they were in the washing machine. Now they're all dry. They're in the dryer. You're so silly.
What's on this?
Wanna watch Nikki? Okay, go get the remote for me.
You're my sweetheart. You're my sweetheart. Sweetheart. You're my sweetheart.
No! Kitty run out!
She ran out?
Yeah.
And I told you not to open the door and let her out.
I guess you call her
She'll come back. She always runs back in. She just goes out there fast to look at Coley and then she comes back.
I need to go.
Hey, Lua. Coley, get in the house. Go in the house. Come here. She likes to just come out here and watch the birds and stuff.
Kevin working call outside.
Yeah, don't open the door anymore. Just only mommy, okay? Okay? Say only mommy. We don't want the cat running out and getting lost, right?
You what?
She got to stay in the house. And back to finish folding all that
I got
laundry.
this picture in my closet. It's gathering dust right now, and the edges have been folded once or twice. It doesn't look the same no more, 'cause the sun has made it pale. I used to have it hanging on my wall some time ago. A picture of you. You're standing by that window, playing your guitar. And if I close my eyes, I can almost hear your song. A picture of you. A picture of you. And I remember every day that I spent with you.
On this day, I picked up the kids from school and decided to take them all to go see the Easter Bunny. So changed them all into their Easter outfits and we headed up to the mall. Who are you gonna go see?
Easter bunny.
The Easter Bunny! You look so cute. I love your outfit, hey. You look so handsome.
You for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we make breakfast in bed.
Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. That looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Yeah, go look in the big mirror.
Why are you doing it?
Huh?
Why are you doing it?
Because it was good singing. I liked it. So pretty. Luckily when we got there was barely any wait at all. There's 3 people in front of us. Hi, Bunny! You see him, Hayden? You want to wave to him? All right. There's the bunnies. Ah! I hit the thingy. Look, there's the bunnies. You see him, Presley? Look at you. Aww, that's so cute. Well, here's the picture. Can't believe we had to pay like $40-something for this, but oh well.
Hey, Papa, was it fun? I go up. No, we're not gonna go up. We're going down.
It's good. They got these like cup toppers that go on top of the lemonade with the cheese dip, pretzels. How's yours, Hayden?
They go.
What was your best day ever?
When you pushed me out of your vagina, I finally got to live a life. Mom,
Oh my God.
Mama.
What was the best day of your life?
The first time I ever saw
Aww, that's so sweet.
my eyes were able to open up and see.
Hayden, what was the best day of your life? Going to Mickey's castle?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say hi.
Nom nom nom. Can you try?
Huh?
I put it.
I know, we will in a second. Okay. Are those good?
It's
a pretty cool invention, huh? I know, we're going.
I said there's an extra Einstein.
Auntie Anne's?
Mommy, wipe it.
We will.
Is it two?
Yes, please. Picked up Presley's dress for our cruise. Isn't that so pretty? Love that. Aww. We got Coley's. Aww. Aww. She's such a good girl. Aww. I think Kailu is jealous. All the love.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding of life.
Back at home, we ate dinner and then snuggled up on the couch to watch some TV before their bedtime.
When the old one's gone under the knife, and I can feel the sun on my skin.
He decided Sissy's gonna have a sleepover in here tonight, so. Okay, pick out a book to read. Pick out a book to read. Yeah. I love your top side. I love your bottom side. I love your inside and your outside. I love your happy side, your sad side. I love your silly side and your mad side. I love your fingers and your toes. I love your ears and your nose. I love your hair and your eyes, your giggles and cries. I love you running and walking, silent and talking. I love you through and through, yesterday, today, and tomorrow too. Night night, love you. Sweet dreams. Love you. You love her, huh? He's purring. Aw, I see you kiss. Down to pray the Lord my soul to keep safely guide through the night. Bye bye. Aww. Night, honey, I love you. Sweet dreams. Okay. Oh, I love you so much. Night night. Oops. Once all the kids are in bed, I'll finish cleaning up the downstairs and then head to bed myself. And as a single mom, this is usually the time of the day where I honestly get a little lonely. I wish that I had someone to hang out with and to talk to, but I also know it is so much better to be alone and heal and be healthy, especially for the kids, than to be in a toxic relationship. And I know that someday I will find my Mr. Right. I know he's out there and we'll come together at the perfect time. But until then, thanks for going on this journey with me. Thanks for watching my videos. And thank you so much for supporting me through all the changes that I've been through. I will see you in my next video. Thanks, loves.
Time to buy.